Hello Atanu. Hi. So just wanted to go over with the doubts we have. So first and foremost, whenever I'm registering a new account, I see a space. I don't need to see any space. This text box should start over here. And also, why is this page coming over here? We have to have this properly. So make sure you do the changes. Now coming back to the email which I sent you, there have been a lot of issues, especially with the spacing. Let me first start with my home page. I want you to go through and test each and every phase in case of wedding, restaurant and doctors, and make sure that nothing is getting truncated. So I have put some information over here. When I actually render the page, if you go to home, you will see this information is getting truncated. This should not happen. And also the font, reduce the font size by 1. This font and this font are very different. This the one on top, it should be only 1 degree higher and in bold than this one. Alright, now once I go here, I go to events. Now events has a lot of issues as per the email. Firstly, there is no functionality to delete an event, so we should have that functionality to delete an event. After that, if you see the event, how it is getting rendered, so the thumb rule is to have a space after every attribute. So after description, have a space, then have a space here, have a space here, and then this looks good, and then this is the second event. Now this date is not proper. Have the date as per my email as 17th May 2010 rather than this date. And also it looks like there are 3 spaces. There should be only 1 space. And in case of I should not see cross symbols. If the event doesn't have any images, then this should not happen. Alright, and then I move over to the galleries. The galleries are not working. I have sent you an email. Please let us know why is it not working. And in case of review or guest book, there are issues because this font which you see should be of this size. Color is fine, but this should be of this size. This looks too big. And why is there a space here? Whenever he's trying to see the review, why don't you fill the space till here and then come down? Is there a table here? I don't understand. Anyways, and there is an issue the way the reviews are, or rather the guest book gets rendered. So I need to see a space between each and every comment. So after Karthik post and review, there should be a space between Karthik and Murthy. There is no space here. So you have to include 1 line of space between these two. Got it? And basically this is Karthik's comments and these are Murthy's comments. So there should be a space in between them. Just see my email for details. And the same way, this is not aligned, the name review. I mean, this is such a simple thing. Have the name and the email aligned, and it should not have email. Just write text body. You got it? He's not writing an email, and this should be aligned together. Alright, so please go over the changes and please update us. Also see the Excel sheet which I have sent you and let us know. And as I said, I want you to create a wedding, a restaurant and a doctor completely with all the information and all the sizes correct. And there are still a lot of pending issues, so I'll tell you. So if you go to my home page, I don't want to see any spelling mistakes. See, appears APPEARS. This is ATS. I mean, this won't look good. You got my point. So make sure the spelling is correct. Run a spell check. Alright, thanks a lot and email me if you have any doubts.